we just got in the spectacular 2011 Camaro SS, and we could just not bring ourselves to stripping it right away without giving you guys the chance to possibly rebuild it. This car will be included with parts to fix the quarter panel and door with suspension parts for the asking price. This car only has 65,000 miles on it and is the SS with 6-speed automatic transmission. This car is run and drivable, has a blown driver's seat and clean interior. Give me a buzz at 866-321-6277 to get some more information, or you can check it out on our website at lsswat.com.